Welcome to this video on the ping command with error descriptions. This is day 6 of our series. What is the ping command? Ping stands for Packet Internet Groper and is used to check connectivity between a host and a server. It uses ICMP packets to test reachability and measure the round-trip time, helping diagnose network issues like latency and packet loss. Ping is a widely used utility tool for troubleshooting and testing various network components, including host and server reachability, internet connections, network interface cards, and DNS resolution issues. How does ping work? It sends an ICMP echo request packet to the destination. If reachable, the device sends back an echo reply. Ping measures the round-trip time, or RTT, and provides statistics on success, failure, and packet loss. Ping results tell you about connectivity, where replies confirm reachability. Low RTT indicates low latency, while missing replies signal packet loss. Pinging a domain name also tests DNS resolution. Common uses for the ping command include troubleshooting to quickly check if a server is down, network diagnostics to isolate issues, and performance monitoring to gauge network speed and stability. Common ping errors include request timeout, which could indicate a firewall or power issue. Destination host unreachable often signals gateway problems. Packet loss suggests network congestion or faulty hardware. Could not find host points to DNS resolution issues. Thank you for watching this video on the ping command and common errors.